How to find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Make sure you have already downloaded Trust Wallet in your device. Now launch it. At the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to this option of Home. With that, you're going to find different wallets. Now you can head towards the wallet of which you want to see the address. Just click on it. Make sure you have already logged into the wallet. Now different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of Receive. With that, you will see this QR code. Along with the QR code, you will find this number at the bottom of the QR code. So this is the address of your wallet. So this way you can easily find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. By following the same steps, you can easily find the address of other wallets as well. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily find your wallet address on Trust Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.